What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Guys, it's Friday. That means you know why I'm so excited. So many people getting paid. I'm getting paid. Well, I got paid yesterday with my bank account. But Conversion Pros is a payday. myEcon paid out yesterday. And with $25 one-up, guys, you know you're getting paid every day. And for you guys to think, what is that, dude? It's pretty much, guys, it's a program that offers you up where you can make up to $125 per sale. And it's instant one time, guys. There's no waiting on your money or anything like that. And then you probably ask them, well, Jay, you know, you said you're not doing so many programs. This is an affiliate program that has a product. The product is multiple ads, email ads, thousands of email ads for different platforms. And the reason I did that is because you can never, I'm an email marketer. I do SMS text messaging. I do Facebook ads. And we have so many ads that are designed around social media, email, things like that. So that is why I choose to be a part of it. So if I actually tell others about it, then this is a product that they can use for their business, regardless of whatever it is that they're promoting. So that is why we definitely utilize that. Okay. Another thing is I wanted to talk about, guys, was advertising Boost. The reason what they're doing. I mean, yeah, Boost now. Okay, so it's not bait. Okay, they changed the name on it. So I wanted to talk about some of the stuff that you're going to be able to do with that. See, now, guys, there's going to be there's a training that they're actually offering in the back office, man. And this is some powerful training. So I'm going to put some information up about that. So this is something that I try my best to say, guys, when I'm talking about these programs. There's things usually there to help you. See, Advertising Boost is a product that allows you to actually give away vacation incentives to entice people to join, giveaways, these type of things. Okay, so when people purchase it, they have a plethora of marketing videos. So that's going to help you already, right? So if you're in the credit biz, right? And they have a credit repair, there's an actual credit repair video and actually saying, hey, you know, when you join, you're going to get a 3-night vacation here, blah, blah, blah. And that's going to entice someone to join. You see? So that's what this is. And we're also in the back office as a caveat. They're actually giving you free training. This free training that I have up. So that's why I try to put you guys in the right position to win at all times. Okay? TCP. It allows you to win at all times because it's a marketing system that pretty much does all of the selling and telling for you. I mean, not just one marketing system. It's a marketing tool suite that you can build sales funnels and capture pages around your business that does all of the selling and telling for you. The same thing with Builderall. Builderall is more of the advanced capture page and sales page building. You know, now if you want to jump in, you don't have a learning curve or anything like that, then definitely, or if you can follow directions and go through training, you're definitely going to get it. It's not that hard, but it's something compared to TCP. The people that are normally used to using TCP, you're going to have to really be ready to actually go to work with that system because it's more of it's not as user friendly. Let's just put it like that. It's still an easy system, but it's not as user friendly. Okay, for some. And I know this because I have people that literally have trouble with TCP, and TCP is the easiest thing you can have. So just think about what Builderall would do. But is it a great program? Excellent. Do they offer a lot of tools? Yes. Guys, the social proof. I mean, I love that alone right there. You know, so if you look at so many other programs are out there that offer that, guys, those are some expensive things, and I'm able to get all this with my Builderall. And you can definitely check that out on my $25 one-up business, how I built the page for that one. That was actually one of my first funnels that I've actually built, and I've actually started sending people to it. So that one's kind of cool. But guys, this is what I wanted to talk about of how I'm getting paid. You know, of all these different platforms, of all these things that I talk about, pretty much here, these are income streams. And these are income streams that are allowed to really help you. Remember what I talk about, tools and education. You're getting tools and education on all these systems. $25 one-up is tools and education. It's actually, you know, it's social media training as well. And then it's also, they're giving you tools. They're giving you different resources and tools to actually help put your business out there. And that's what we say, different ads that are pretty much going to be, that's the product. And they're going to be releasing other things that are going to go a little deeper, but those are your two products. Okay, so you have the ads training, all the ads that you're gonna get. So that's within the $25 training. They have some more little things on the $25, the mindset training, things like that. And then there's the platinum level. So there's gold and then there's platinum. Okay, so platinum is going to be where you're going to get the social media ads training, where they're going deep into the social media ads training. So everything is designed to help you. You see, so you can take the same exact business and write ads for whatever business that you decide you want to join. Okay, so yes, myEcon is my main program is financial literacy. Shout out to everybody that got paid, you know, or that's getting paid. You know, this is my proof that this business is real. Okay, so yes, guys, this is what I'm doing. This is why I'm doing it, because these programs, they actually complement your business at the end of the day. So it's not, I'm not gonna say go join myEcon and then let's say and I'm not involved with these guys, or I'm not saying that they're bad or anything. Legal Shield, those are two good companies, and they just a little bit similar, you know, because we offer legal representation as well. But I wouldn't try to get you guys to promote both of those. That would be the most redundant thing that I would ever say do. If you're gonna be married to a program and you choose myEcon to marry, then you want to have things that complement myEcon. You want to have a marketing system that you're able to earn affiliate commission. You want to have things in place for training for your people, where you're going to be able to earn an affiliate commission, but it's helping you. You know, if it's advertising, if it's tools and things like that are going to help them, and you introduce them to it, you want to make sure that you get your commissions. Those are things that I'm going to say is that you want to stick, play ball with. Okay, don't go out and try to be a part of XYZ, all of these other programs, and oh, this is my main program, this is my main program, and then you want people to join you, and people don't, they're like, dude, you're not consistent, man. You're not talking about the same program. You know, you're doing other things, and it doesn't even look like you're making any money in the first one. And that's what will cause people not to join you. So if you don't actually explain things like I'm explaining it, that's why I love video, because I'm trying to explain the things that I'm actually utilizing, of how these systems utilize you. Advertising Boost allows me to pretty much give an incentive away to people that join me. I am a leader, so yes, I am coming out of my pocket to pretty much pay for this system. I give people access to the system that join me, where they can actually give away free vacations as well. And if you decide, hey, I really like this system, I want to take advantage of the actual training, everything that they have in the back office, from the capture pages all the way to the marketing systems of Builderall, then boom, you see that. I mean, of advertising bait, because they have actual sales funnels for WordPress, Builderall, and ClickFunnels, guys. So if you have any of those platforms for your marketing purposes, then they already have a marketing funnel designed to go strictly around that. That's powerful alone right there. You know, just the stuff that they're giving you, the free training that they're saying, you know, hey, use this training, utilize this training to market this business, to go out here and tell others about this business. You see, that's powerful. That's helping you. See, a lot of times when you get in these businesses, then they're just going to tell you to just get in and go to work. And most people don't know how to do that. But these businesses are actually teaching you guys how to do that. $25 one up. $25 one up. Again, you're getting thousands of ads, guys. How many people have writer's block? How many people can't write ads? Some people don't even have ad copy training. Okay? But then there's a platform called TCP that offers ad copy training. So for the person that can put the brain together and that's not lazy, you can actually, you know, we're teaching you how to do that in TCP. TCP is a marketing tool suite that offers training and leads. So there's your difference, you know. You pick your poison, man, on how you want to win. I just introduce them to you guys and let you know what's working for me. So that's why I said I'm about to actually start leaving everything in the description, breaking it all down of what everything does, so you guys could actually see what exactly what we're doing. And, you know, it doesn't look like, oh, he's marketing this or he's promoting that. No. Okay. So everything that I'm doing is in conjunction. $25 one up, you can sign up for Easy One Up and Builderall in the back office. And I'm doing both of those, okay? So one marketing system right there can actually earn me 3 income streams just alone. And I can actually upload other income streams that I have in the back office. So if I wanted to, I could just create one hub. Sky's the limit, man. Sky's the limit. It's up to you. Do you want to win or do you not want to win? It's Friday. You have to make a decision. For my working folks out there, I know some of y'all got paid. What are you going to do with the money? You know, are you going to go buy some shoes? I mean, I know kids are about to go back to school, but guess what, guys? I got kids too, and I'm paying for them to go back to school, and thank God for me being able to make money online, because guess what? Who's paying for it? The money online. And why you think that we try to tell people about this, man? This is a whole nother year rolling around. Making money online, man, has paid for Christmas, has paid for cars, it has paid for school, shoes, dates, dinner with the family, outings. And you still watching. You're still watching. Man, I'm just trying to get to my next level, guys. I'm seeking that millionaire status, man. It's time for the millionaire status, and that's what we're going after now. So, yes, I make money online. Have I made 100 grand in a year? I have made over 100 grand in a year, guys. But like I always mention, there is taxes and expenses as well. So 100 grand ain't nothing at the end of the day. It's cool, but it ain't nothing, okay? It's when you're making 300, 400, 500 to $1 million. That's the money. And that's the goals that we have, man. You got to dream big, and you got to set yourself goals. So my goal is approaching $1 million now, man. So that's where my dreams are at. You know, it's time to level up, guys. We've been, you know, if you've been in the spot way too long, cool. You know, I've made 100K, so I'm done with that. I want to go higher, man. So at the end of the day, guys, I just want you to, you know, just really think about it. That's why I said it's Friday, man. Think about your next moves. Invest in yourself. I laid out a lot of things, but myEcon is my main program, and everything else that I mentioned around it all complements myEcon, okay? So if it's something that's enticing you to join myEcon, or you're going to eventually join it in the back end of it, okay? So that's either way it goes with me. All right, so I'm going to wrap this video up. I want you guys to have a beautiful and blessed day. This your boy Jay. I'm out.